Hey, Jesse here, Hot Off the Wheels. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to open up this box right here containing the Kroger Exclusive Hot Wheels for 2022 e-case. So order 2 cases off their website. I'll put a link in the description below where you can order them yourself. But hoping to get a good set of the Kroger Exclusive colors out of this, as well as some nice main lines. So with that being said, let's get into it. As you saw, my new friend, my neighbor's cat, pretty cool. But anyways, let's get into it. All right, here we go. So we'll pull out 2 cases right there. As you can see, there's your letter on the side, 3993 EB. So I believe this is going to be e-case, from what I've seen, from what you all have posted up already, from your own unboxing and openings. So there's one case, and then there's the other case right here. Neither have been cracked or opened. They both seem to be taped and sealed up. So there's your case lettering and everything right there. So if you are interested in the treasure hunt for this case, if it is e-case, which I believe it is, this will be your Draftnator. That is your treasure hunt for e-case. As you can see on the back, that's e-case right there. So that will be your basic treasure hunt. And then your super for the case, not that I think we'll find one, but if you were to open one and find the super, this is what it would look like. So hopefully we'll find the mainline version, and I'll do a little side-by-side comparison in case you haven't seen any of my previous peg hunts where I've found the Corvette already at Kroger. So with that being said, be looking for that in your case if you order one. Hopefully you'll have some good success and luck if you're able to find these online. So again, I'll put a link in the description below if they are active or available for purchase, and then I'll include that or some information about it at least. All right. Well, let's see what kind of, and I'll put a picture right here on the screen of what the exclusives are going to look like. We're looking for the exclusives. I'm not too much worried about, are there going to be a lot of e-case, because I've already found plenty of e-case in store. So links right there, the pictures right there on your screen of the exclusive colors. You've got the Ford Focus, I believe it is a Dodge Dart, Nissan Leaf, little Nismo version, and I think there's a McLaren, if I'm not mistaken. So 4 exclusives right there. So we're going to start cracking them open right here. What I'll do is I'll pull them out there. We'll just do it like this. I'll just pull a couple out at a time. There's your first McLaren exclusive right there. Very nice. Already finding some of the exclusives and a couple of fancy treasure hunts. Not too worried about fancies. We're going to put those to the side. Ta-da. And of course, you can never give me enough of these trucks. I love this truck a lot. A Silverado is just awesome. And of course, we've got a little coupe clip. I've already found, again, plenty of these in stores, so not a big deal for me, but however, it might be something you're interested in. And you've got that lethal diesel little not treasure hunt, but a little fancy car on the end there. So very nice, very nice. Definitely the Silverado is one of my favorites. Next up, Chevelle Ss Wagon. Can't go wrong with that. Definitely nice. The bone shaker in black. And then that Chevy pickup on the bottom. Definitely a nice one as well in the Art Car series. So all 3 of those are really, really nice. Won't spend too much time. Again, I'll probably try to eventually post some pictures up on social. But for the time being, we're just going to kind of go through them. Got the Chevy Bel Air. The tuned up little Silverado. Pretty cool. I know a lot of people are excited about finding those. So hopefully, if you order a case, you'll get at least 1 or 2 of those out of your case. And that little ride along or let's go go-kart car, pretty cool. Next up, we've got the Eruption, the Ford Focus, which is your other exclusive right there. And then of course the coupe clip. So already got 2 exclusives so far. And then let's see, up next, another exclusive, of course, already in the mix, the Ford Focus again. The Count Muscula. I don't even know if I've seen that one. Maybe I did see it in the store. Just it looks a little differently. Again, I didn't really pay much attention to these. But the McLaren on the bottom, I don't believe that is your exclusive. I think that's just your regular McLaren for e-case. Pretty cool. or maybe a carryover. I don't quite recall. Can't go wrong with another Honda S2000, the Mazda RX-7, and the Ducati Scrambler. All three are pretty sweet in my opinion, but none of those are the exclusives. All right. Yes, we've got our first of the Nissan, but we've got the Mclaren right there. Nice exclusive color. The TV series Batmobile, a little tuned up version or whatever. And then of course there's your Nissan Leaf. That one looks good. It looks better than I initially thought it would. That looks pretty awesome. And that black with the little white lettering on it. It looks really good. Again, I'll post some better pictures in case the sun and the lighting's not the greatest. I'll be posting those up on Insta. All right. So far, here we go. We've got those right there. We got two of the white Ford Focuses, two of the McLaren, and one of the Nissan so far. And we're not even done. So not bad. I am not complaining. All right, there's your Corvette. It is just the Mainline. Again, I think if you find a Super and a treasure hunt out of one of these, you are extremely blessed and lucky. I'm not usually that fortunate or lucky, but again, it can happen for you. But if you're hoping to find it, if you're ordering these just for the sole purpose of hoping to find a Super, I think you have better luck in store if you have a Kroger near you to hit them up for the Corvette. But we do have another Nissan Leaf. Yes, definitely a nice one. Sorry, I don't know, for some reason I keep thinking my camera is on the other side, so if I'm getting a little off angle, my apologies. But little Aston Martin looks really nice too. So if you're interested in any of those, we'll put our Nissan together. So definitely nice, cannot complain. We've got, looks like, oh, I think I passed up the Dodge. What did I do with my Dodge? I thought I had already came across the Dodge Dart. Did I come across the Dodge Dart? I thought I did. Did I not? Okay, maybe I didn't come across the Dodge Dart yet. I don't know. Okay. All right, next three, of course. You've got that one everybody's after, that Nissan Sylvia right there. Little Nash and the Rollin Raging Express on the bottom there. So I know a lot of people still are looking for those Nissans, if that's your thing. All right, there we go. We got the two Dodge Darts. I was starting to sweat it a little bit. We got two Dodge Darts. Those are your exclusives for the Kroger exclusive color. So definitely nice. I'm not sure. I see a lot of people doing wheel swaps on those. Not a big fan of that orange, just saying. I mean, I understand it's in the art car series and everything, so it kind of fits. Don't get me wrong. It's just I'll be anticipating seeing what people do with the wheel swaps on that and customs. So pretty cool. So there we go, guys. We cannot complain at all. Check it out. And of course, you got the three there. You got the A86 right there. The last one is A86. So a lot of people are looking for that as well. And of course, I would throw it on the ground. And the Mazda, of course, definitely nice. But yes, there are your four exclusives right there out of this one case. So I am not complaining at all. You know, we didn't find a treasure hunt or Super out of the case, but again, not very uncommon to not find one. You know what I mean? So definitely really sweet. So let's go ahead and throw this case to the side. Give me 1 second to kind of get some things together, and I will open the next case here in a second. And just to show you for comparison, if you didn't see my latest video, there's your Mainline right here for the Corvette, and that is your Super treasure hunt right there, which we did not find, of course. Again, I didn't anticipate we'd find the Super. Those are pretty going to be far and few between in these cases, if you ask me. But again, it is definitely possible to pull a Super out of one of these. I hope you're the case that finds it. I hope you're the rare occurrence where you manage to score a Super out of one of these cases. With that being said, let's get right into the second case right here. Again, there's a little picture of the case lettering and codes on the side, if you're wanting to see that. And again, it looks pretty well untampered, so I'm happy. Cases came intact. They're not bent up. Far better than the GameStop experience, in my opinion, or in my experience, it's been a lot better than the GameStop cases. So a little mishap there. All right. So on this one, we'll just leave it down, and I'll just take them out and show you. I think I should have done that with the first time. All right. First three out of there: the Nash, the Low Lux, and of course our exclusive Dodge Dart. Yeah. So we'll put that to the side. I'll put my Dodge Darts. I'll start putting them together as I go through them. Next three: the A86, Raging Express, and that Dodge Dart again. So got 4 Dodge Darts. So that's awesome right there. I know a lot of people will like that A86 Toyota there. Pretty cool. I'll put that in a little maybe highlight pile. Dun, dun. All right, Nissan Sylvia, the Mazda, and the little donut drifter. So hopefully you're able to find these either in store or order a case online if that is your thing. But I would encourage you not to order it just for the sole purpose of trying to find treasure hunts or supers. Again, there is our Mainline Corvette. Not a big surprise there that we didn't get a super. Grand illusion that you're going to pull this super. I think you may be disappointed, but again, I hope you have that better luck than I do in success. But yeah, definitely another exclusive color for the Nissan Leaf. So far, that's awesome. We've got 3 of those, 4 of the Dodge Darts. Dun, dun, dun. The Aston Martin, the little classic TV series, Batmobile, and the Mazda RX-7. And again, some of these maybe carry over from D to E. So I don't quite recall or remember all of that. The little tuned up Silverado, Let's Go, and another Ford Focus. So that's really nice. We got some exclusive colors coming out of the second case as well. So no complaints at all for me. The Eruption, another coupe clip. Not very uncommon, at least in my experience, to find these. So hopefully if you're looking for that little keychain, you're able to find it. And the Ford Focus again. So we've got 4 of the Ford Focuses now. And I'll show you that here in a second once we get through. The Big Air Bel Air, definitely nice in that color. The McLaren right there, and another Count Muscula. So hopefully you're able to find these in store if you're looking for any of them. Big Air Bel Air, I'd be curious to see what people do with wheel swaps and customs and things like that. So pretty nice. I need to start devoting a little bit more time to that myself. Just getting into, customizing. I can do a basic wheel swap. That's about all I can do right now. Honestly, I don't have much experience with customs, and it's just because I'm typically too busy hunting in stores to really do a lot of custom work. But we got another Chevelle Ss Wagon. Nice. I know a lot of people were excited about that one when it first came out. The exclusive color Mclaren F1, definitely a nice one. And the COPPA clip. So let me add that to our pile there. Definitely nice. Up next, I think this may finish off our exclusives. So you've got the McLaren F1 right there, the Nissan Leaf, those 2 exclusives, and that Ducati Scrambler. So definitely a nice one. Hopefully you're able to get these in store. I have heard you're supposed to be able to get these in store in maybe a few weeks or a few months. I'll see it when I believe it. I'm just, again, happy to be able to order the cases online. I kind of wish they would do this with Target with the red editions. I wish you'd be able to order cases online for Target red editions. That would be really, really nice and helpful. Another Silverado, no complaints from me. Another 69 Chevy pickup, no complaints there either. And of course your little, what is that, Cosmic Coupe or something? Little fantasy car. So nice. And of course we got the treasure hunt right there. Nice little truck went by. One of my neighbors got a little lower down truck. It's like almost about that color, but it's, or not this color, but it's about that body style, but his is all red. Looks really nice. Probably should have shown it to you, but yeah, we did find the treasure hunt. That's cool. So I'll be putting that one in the car, probably to give away to some kid or collector I come in contact with, and my adventures hunting. Or I may, I do plan to do some more giveaways here on the channel soon, so maybe I'll include that one in one of the giveaways or boxes. So that's it for this one. There it is right here, ladies and gentlemen. Let me get my footing. My knees are starting to kill me on here. So there are your exclusive colors: the Dodge Darts, Nissan Leaf, the little Nismo version, and the Ford Focus RS, the Mclaren F1 GTR. So definitely nice, no complaints. I'm extremely grateful and happy to find the exclusives and to get 4 sets. I'll probably be giving at least one set of each to my brother and father-in-law. They're both collectors as well. But here are some of the takeaways. Of course, you've got the coupe de clip. I know some people are excited. If you're not, I definitely understand. It's not for everybody. You've got the Silverado, a little tuned-up version. Again, maybe not be for everybody because it's a little bit of like a cartoonish look. You've got the Silverado there, of course, one of my favorites. Chevelle wagon right there, another favorite of mine. Little Toyota Sprinter Truno. Big Arbello looks pretty decent. You've got that Honda S2000, the Mazdas, your Corvettes right there. Of course, your Mainlines and our Super, where I pulled that one from the store. But that was it for this video, guys. That was just what we pulled earlier. So 2 cases and pulled a treasure hunt. All the exclusives that were pretty much guaranteed. I think you're pretty much guaranteed to promise, hopefully, 2 of each, and of each case. So we got 2 of each of the exclusives, 2 cases, so equal 4 of the exclusive colors and cars. So again, hopefully you're able to find them online. I'll put a link in the description below if I can find it, and if I see they're still available. But if they're not currently available, if they're still up on the website, but they're not, or they're sending out of stock, or it's not available currently, keep checking back. The same with the Hot Wheel Legends Nissan. If you're looking for that Skyline, then keep checking back. Every once in a while it does come back up online on the vendor website, if you know what I'm talking about. And if not, then no worries, it's all good. So with that being said, thanks for tuning in. I know it was a little bit long video. We'll still be bringing on some G-Case hunts here soon. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next diecast peg hunts or opening. Thanks for watching again.